Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Honda Pilot steering wheel. First, understand that a locked steering wheel is a common anti-theft feature designed to prevent theft. This mechanism engages automatically when you remove the key from the ignition, making it impossible to steer the vehicle. Don't worry, it's a simple fix once you know the correct technique. We'll get you back on the road quickly and easily. Your steering wheel typically locks when it's turned slightly after the key has been removed from the ignition. This action engages a small pin that secures the steering column, preventing any movement. It's important to remember this is a normal, built-in security feature of your Honda Pilot, not a sign of a problem with your car. Understanding this helps in quickly resolving the issue. To unlock your steering wheel, first, ensure your key is fully inserted into the ignition. Next, apply gentle but firm pressure to turn the steering wheel in either direction. While maintaining this pressure, simultaneously turn the key to the on position. You might feel a slight click as the locking pin disengages. This technique usually works on the first or second try. If the key doesn't turn immediately, try wiggling the steering wheel more vigorously while turning the key. Remember, avoid forcing the key, as this can damage your ignition switch, leading to more complex and costly repairs. With a little practice, unlocking your steering wheel will become second nature. Also, for more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book about money, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.